What happens if everyone in this world becomes monk?
At least half, or at least I think, third, one third become monk and nun. It's the best way to birth control. Now it is quite serious now. When I first came India as a refugee, then we used to say 6 billion human beings. Now after 60 years passed, almost 60 years, now today's world population 7 billion. According to some sort of expert, end of this century, human population reach 10 billions. Then other hand, global warming, very serious. When we flying over Afghanistan, really, the desert ray, where small river there, and some trees and some farmings. I think there are clear signs, and previously I said more water. So recently in Ladakh also I mentioned, within my own lifetime, for example, Dharamsala, Kangra Valley, 1960 summer I came Dharamsala. I shifted from Mussoorie. So that winter, lot of snow. I think 1 foot like that, snow. Then, year by year, less. Nowadays, at my place, hardly, because of the heavy snowfall. So now look, Europe, unusually much heat. And then because of global warming, some area, too much heat, burning, fire. And the California area, a lot of fire. Then some area, too much flood, including Japan. So these are the effects or result of global warming. So now, global warming, they pray to God, not much helpful. According to theistic religion, the global warming itself created by God. So now, you see, we should sort of think the global warming and population. I think beyond 7 billion, 8 billion, I think very difficult. Nature resources now really facing. And some African country and many other country, water resource problem there. Now, fortunately, India, because of Himalayan mountain, a lot of rivers. Goa, I don't know. Seawater, maybe. But northern India, I think Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Kasa, Indus. So you should grateful to Tibet. All these major rivers come from Tibet. In China also, the Yellow River, from Tibet, from Tibetan Plateau. So almost whole Asia's, these big river and the Mekong River, all come from Tibet, Tibetan Plateau. So anyway, we are supplier of water to whole Asian continent. Like that. I think the global warming, I think really very serious matter. Very serious matter. Like that. Thank you.